Today we're doing an oil change on a 2013 Polaris Sportsman 90. What you're going to need is some brake cleaner, towels, ratchet with an extension, 17mm socket, some oil, and a funnel. First thing I do, unscrew the dipstick, set it back in lightly, just like that. We're going to go underneath. We have this gold plug. That's your drain plug. I just cracked it loose. So just loosen her up. Let it drain. This one next to it is your oil filter. Crack that loose, and then loosen it the rest of the way by hand if you can. Pay attention, this has a spring, and then it has a screen in there. Pull that screen out. Take your screen and your spring and plug and just spray it down with some spray cleaner. And then wipe it off and reinstall it in the reverse order. For reinstalling the filter, put your screen up there. Followed by the spring and the cap. Thread it in by hand. And then just snug it. Next, reinstall the drain bolt. Tighten that, and you're done here on the bottom. Now we're just going to refill the oil. The owner's manual calls for 29 ounces, so that's just shy of a quart. I'm going to pour this in to my measuring cup. And then I'm just going to pour that into my funnel carefully. And you just do that until your 29 ounces are in there. Last thing you do, you let it run for a couple minutes after you filled the oil. And then you pop the dipstick off and check your level. And here, looks like we're good. Might just be a few ounces low, so it might end up actually taking the whole quart. And that's it.